The return of the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster is nothing short of legendary, a breathtaking revival of one of the most iconic luxury sports cars ever created, now reborn for the modern era with cutting-edge technology, electrified performance, and a design that perfectly balances nostalgia with futuristicality. As you lay your eyes on this masterpiece, it's immediately clear that this is not just a car, it's an emotional statement, a tribute to timeless beauty, and a bold step into the future of automotive excellence. The long sculpted hood, the flowing lines, and the perfectly proportioned body instantly remind you of its heritage. Yet everything feels sharper, more refined, and unmistakably modern. The signature kidney grille has been reimagined with a sleek, illuminated design, seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, while ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights give the car a piercing, high-tech presence on the road. Step closer, and the attention to detail becomes even more impressive. Every curve, every surface has been carefully crafted to enhance both aerodynamics and visual drama. The lightweight aluminum body combined with carbon fiber elements not only improves performance, but also ensures that the 507 Roadster remains true to its sporty ADN. The side profile is pure elegance, with clean lines flowing effortlessly from front to rear, while the muscular haunches hint at the power waiting beneath the surface. The rear of the car is equally stunning, featuring slim OLED taillights, a subtle integrated spoiler, and a minimalist yet aggressive diffuser that completes the car's commanding stance. Open the door, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels like a perfect fusion of luxury craftsmanship and futuristic innovation. Premium leather, brushed aluminum, and sustainable materials come together to create an environment that is both sophisticated and driver-focused. The cockpit is designed to wrap around you, placing every control exactly where you need it, while a fully digital curved display stretches across the dashboard, offering crystal-clear information and seamless connectivity. Ambient lighting adapts to your mood, creating an atmosphere that can shift from calm and relaxing to sporty and intense at the touch of a button. The seats are a masterpiece on their own, offering exceptional comfort and support, whether you're cruising along scenic roads or pushing the car to its limits. Advanced climate control, a premium sound system, and next-generation infotainment features ensure that every journey is as enjoyable as it is thrilling. Voice control, gesture recognition, and AI-powered personalization make the experience feel truly futuristic, adapting to your preferences and learning your habits over time. But the real magic of the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster lies under the hood. This modern revival is expected to feature a powerful hybrid powertrain, combining a high-performance turbocharged engine with advanced electric motors to deliver breathtaking performance while maintaining impressive efficiency. The instant torque from the electric system provides lightning-fast acceleration, launching the car from 0 to 60 in just a few seconds, while the refined combustion engine ensures a thrilling and emotional driving experience that enthusiasts will love. The result is a perfect balance between power efficiency and sustainability, proving that you don't have to compromise performance to embrace the future. The driving dynamics are equally impressive, with a perfectly tuned suspension system that offers both comfort and precision. Whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway, the 507 Roadster feels incredibly responsive and composed. Advanced all-wheel drive technology ensures maximum grip and stability, while multiple driving modes allow you to tailor the car's behavior to your mood. From relaxed cruising to full-on sporty aggression, the steering is precise and engaging, giving you complete confidence and control, making every drive an unforgettable experience. One of the most exciting aspects of the new 507 Roadster is its open-top design, which allows you to fully immerse yourself in the driving experience. The soft-top roof can be opened or closed in seconds, even while on the move, transforming the car from a refined coupe into a thrilling roadster at the push of a button. With the roof down, you can feel the wind, hear the engine, and truly connect with the road in a way that few cars can offer. Gal. Safety and technology are also at the forefront of this modern masterpiece. The 2026 BMW 507 Roadster is equipped with the latest driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking. These features not only enhance safety, but also make everyday driving more convenient and stress-free. The car also includes advanced connectivity features, allowing you to stay connected to your digital life wherever you go. With seamless smartphone integration and over-the-air updates, what makes this car truly special is the way it combines heritage with innovation. It pays homage to the original 507, a car that was once admired for its beauty and exclusivity, while redefining what a modern luxury roadster can be. It's not just about speed or technology, it's about emotion, about creating a connection between the driver and the machine, about turning every journey into a memorable experience. As the automotive world continues to evolve, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster stands as a reminder that true design and passion never go out of style. It represents the perfect blend of past and future, tradition and innovation, performance and sustainability. For those who appreciate the art of driving and the beauty of timeless design, this car is more than just a vehicle. It's a dream come to life. If you're looking for a car that delivers stunning looks, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology all in one package, the 2026 BMW 507 Roadster is set to redefine your expectations. This is not just a comeback, it's a revolution, a bold statement that the spirit of classic roadsters is alive and stronger than ever. And as you imagine yourself behind the wheel, cruising into the future with the wind in your hair and the road ahead, one thing becomes absolutely clear. The legend of the 507 has returned, and it's more powerful, more beautiful, and more advanced than ever before. Welcome to the future of driving. Welcome to Drive Future.